The Porsche 911 GT3 is getting a big brother, the 911 GT3 RS. The new top of the 911 line in terms of performance will celebrate its world premiere on 17th of August. The development of the high-performance sports car was inspired by the successful 911 RSR and 911 GT3 R GT racing cars. We have spied the next-generation Porsche 911 GT3 RS several times already, and we know the development work is nearing its completion. A new official teaser image coming from Stuttgart confirms the new range-topping 911 will be ready for its full debut very soon. Porsche's plan is to unveil the sports car on August 17th this year. The new 911 GT3 RS is even more optimized for track use than its predecessors. The spontaneously responsive, high-revving 4-liter, 6-cylinder boxer engine with approximately 500 PS has proven ideal for use at track days and club sport events, says Andreas Preuninger, director GT model line. That's why Porsche focused primarily on aerodynamics and chassis questions in the development of the new 911 GT3 RS.